Okay, so here's the plane. We want it on that angle. So we'll repeat the process. We've got the glue here upside down there. Got a bit of glue. I found the other one. The other glue continuing from the previous end. Okay. So put that here. Okay, and we've got this here. And then what we want to do, we've got a nail here. We want to put the nail here because what happens is, when the nail is in here, we'll go into that little hole that I showed you in the previous video. Okay, and when the nail is in here, all the putty that's going to go in here, in the head here, and the nail in this is going to join, and it's going to lock it in there. You understand that? Okay, so another toma. So we get the hammer. That was my mother there. I don't know what she wants. Just give me a second. She wants something. I'll be back in a moment. So as here, we're putting some putty in this, which is sawdust, and we've made our own, which is sawdust and PVA glue, and put it at the angle that we want. Will stay there. Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay, we'll get some more glue because we need more PVA glue. When it's getting to the end of the bottle, it's a good idea to put it upside down somewhere, so the glue can go down, because you're going to be having a hard time bringing the glue down. You may have seen me do it a few times the hard way, trying to bring the glue down, deliberately to show you how difficult it is to get the glue down there when there's a little bit of glue. Not when it's a full bottle or half or something, but when there's a little bit. Okay, so it's a good idea to put it upside down. You don't have to do that if you don't want. Okay, but it will save you a lot of time trying to get the glue out. Okay, that's what it's going to do. It's just going to save you a lot of time. Look at some of my videos, deliberately set up like that to show you that it's going to take a long time to get the glue down in front when there's a little bit of glue at the bottom. Okay, we come in here with all this here, and I want heaps here. Okay, we bring our fingers and we bring it in there, and the nail we dig it in there. So you go, so it's not hollow inside. Okay, come in here. A little sawdust on top if you want, just like that. And we have to let this dry another 12 hours or something. I forgot how long the PVA glue, but this will take a lot longer than what the instructions says, because PVA glue is meant for little things, you know, to glue things on a flat surface like that. It's not meant for things like that, although you can use it like that. It's not meant to dry that quick, is what I mean when you've got things like that. It will take at least 24 hours or maybe even 48 hours for this to dry. I forgot how long it takes, but it's more thicker. Okay, it's not made for this, it's made for, you know, to join wood like this, you know, onto this, for example. But you can use it like that. It's not made to dry that quick, as the instruction says, for this. So you can use it for this, but it's just means it's going to take a lot longer for it to dry. So we might just put a bit of dust around here and just leave it like that, let it dry. Then we get rid of the excess dust. Okay? So that is it. We are going to stay with me. Be back in a second. The works classes break, and that will be in 24 or 48 hours time when this dries. it will look like it's a split second as I show you how to do that in the camera trick on there. A lot of people know that already. If you don't, you just switch that off, the camera, and then when you 48 hours or whatever time you come back and switch it on, it looks at the camera like a second, world's quickest break, although it could have been as much as 48 hours or 2 hours or whatever time it takes for me to get back here to shoot more of the film. Okay, so here's another look at the plane. It hasn't dried yet. We only had a couple of minutes of break from before, so it hasn't dried yet. So I thought I'd show you from different angles before it dries. Okay, and here's another one angle. Okay, as you can see the plane, it looks pretty cool. Okay, and from here, okay, and from here, okay, maybe from here. As you can see, I can turn it and it doesn't put that out of place. But we don't want to do it too many times, so until it dries. So I'll be back when that dries up, unless there's something else to say. We'll be back when that dries. Hello, so if you read the instructions of PVA glue, I think it tells you about maximum 12 hours, I think it says there. I'm not sure exactly, it could say less or more, but I think it says 12 hours maximum bond, okay, that glue dries. But that is for normal work, like for example when you're gluing two pieces of wood together, it's a thin layer of glue, that's all there is to it. It doesn't take any longer to dry in what the instructions say. Okay, maximum 12 hours bond, if you know, whatever it says there. But this is not a normal bond, and we've made polyfill out of it, and we use sawdust with PVA glue. So this is much thicker. This is like this thick. That's a lot of glue in there. That's a lot of wet glue in there with dried sawdust. So it's going to take at least 12, at least 24, maybe if not 48 hours for that to dry. You know that, but when you feel it gently without pressing too much, because you don't want to wreck it, just gently. If it's hard, it'll become hard, very hard, like wood. If it becomes hard like wood and not less, then it's ready. Okay, so we know that by feeling it in 24 hours or 48 hours. We just leave it now and go back and feel it. And if it's ready, great. If it's not, we'll wait till it's ready. Thank you for listening. Thank you also for watching. God be with you all. Bless you all. Take care. And the next episode will be, I think, how to paint it, how to paint the plane. So stay tuned. Take care.